Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change brightness and contrast in Photopea. First things first, we have to create ourselves some kind of work or workspace at photopea.com, and let's start with this simple picture where we want to change the brightness, let's say. So what do we have to do? We have to go to the top left corner and click on this option image. And now let's go to adjustments. And straight away the first option that we have here is brightness/contrast. And now you can change it according how you like it. So let's go with brightness and add 150, and you see the picture is really bright. It's not what you want. And then the contrast, also you can go in deep contrast or very light, so you see the actually sun shining in some kind of waves, but we don't want that. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.